Namaskar. When someone has bad breath, it is assumed that either person is suffering from some stomach ailment or maybe it is lack of oral hygiene. Not many people are aware that the root of the tongue is one of a very major cause of bad breath. A lot of time, if you observe the back of the tongue, the root of the tongue, which is called as jivha mool, it is covered with a thick layer of some whitish substance, and it is like a decomposing material which can sometimes extend till the tip of the tongue. In some cases, it is seen as a thick coating on the tongue. You must have seen how doctors tell their patient to stick out their tongue to find out the state of one's health. This is so because tongue is associated with thyroid, lungs, heart, kidney, stomach and colon. A large number of disorders due to unhealthy condition of tongue also. And so it is very important to keep the tongue clean. It is a common practice in India to clean one's tongue in the morning with a U-shaped tongue cleaner. This is generally made up of copper, silver or stainless steel. In the past, a twig of a neem tree or bubble tree would be slit in half and use that as a tongue cleaner to scrap the tongue. Cleaning your tongue regularly can avoid your bad breath problem and also remove toxins from your body. Apart from this, there is another technique to clean the root of the tongue. There is a simple and very effective practice in yoga which is called as jivha mool shodhan, or the cleansing of the root of the tongue. In this practice, fingertips are used to remove any mucus which might accumulate as far back at the root of the tongue. This is an excellent detox method because it involves your digestive and excretory system of your body. When done in the morning, it really helps in bowel movements. Now let's understand how to do this jivha mool shodhan. Practice this in the morning after brushing your teeth and then cleaning your tongue with your tongue cleaner. Stand in front of the basin, open your mouth wide and put your index and middle finger in the mouth. Rub the tips of your fingers as far back till the root of your tongue. Continue to rub like this for 2 to 3 times till you feel like throwing out. Then rinse your mouth thoroughly with water. Of course, this technique not only reduces bad breath but also activates your taste buds. The sensation of throwing up contracts your stomach, which stimulates your digestive system and reduces constipation. You see, in the morning when you wake up, you may have bad breath because of the toxins and decomposing matter that has been collected in your mouth. There is another simple technique along with this technique of jivha mool shodhan, where you take the thumb and put the thumb in right from your palate to the small tongue which is called as uvula. Rub the thumb like this sideways and throw the water out. Oral care, that is why it is very important to see that we get rid of bad breath in the morning. If you clean your tongue every day in the morning for a week, you will feel a remarkable difference in the good feeling which you have in the morning. You feel very clean in the morning. In the morning, bad breath is the cause of dry mouth. So, get rid of your bad breath, take care of yourself, listen to the signals what your body is giving to you and become more aware about yourself. So, take charge. Namaskar.